Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I went down to the restore the other day and they had a bag, just a Ziploc bag, full of some iron stuff. This. Now, of course, when I got home, I decided I'd better open it up and see what it is. The sizes range from 1¼ conduit knockout down to 11/16. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole thing of what I did because I did a whole lot of fiddling with them, but that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Of course, that was followed by a walk around where I saw a bunch of other stuff. Yep, there's big vacuum cleaners. Pretty nice. $15 a piece. But I already have a big vacuum cleaner. But if you guys are looking for a big vacuum cleaner, you might want to check these guys every once in a while. Then they had a nice radial arm saw. But I already have a radial arm saw. Even at that price, I already have a radial arm saw. And I have a table saw too. That's a nice one. $60. Not bad. Then there's the little chop saw, which I already have a chop saw. But at $35, marked down from $45. Yeah, I'd look at them. I made a trip to the restore, and while I was there I was looking around at all the junk, because junk is where the money is. Nah, actually junk is where the cheap stuff is, and you know me, I like cheap stuff. Now I've gone through and straightened up the box. It was just a wadded up pile, and the thing that caught my eye was this box here. Didn't look like this. I mean, it was, as you can see, it's pretty well mashed. It was opened up and just basically trashed. But it held these. Guess what these are? Well, according to the box, they're number 8, 1.5" zinc chromate wood screws, flathead. Remember me saying that I wasn't going to be able to use the original screws that held on the steel bands for the toolbox because it was too far gone? There you go. All set and ready to roll. Because the sides of the toolbox are 1 inch thick. And the banding that goes around the toolbox is 3/4 inch thick. And then you have about an 1/8 inch thick steel band. So I'm going to be able to use these 1.5" zinc chromate wood screws just perfectly. The box says 100. I don't think I've got 100 left in here, but there's quite a bunch, more than enough to do 2 bands on the toolbox. It's all a matter of waiting. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.